Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious butter egg bhurji. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients: 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 onion, 1 tomato, and 2 green chilies. You will also need 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Don't forget fresh coriander and salt to taste for that perfect finish. Now, let's build the flavorful base for our bhurji. Start by melting 2 generous tablespoons of butter in a pan over a medium flame. Once melted, add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes beautifully translucent. Next, stir in 1 full teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 chopped green chilies. Cook this aromatic mixture for about 1 minute, allowing the wonderful fragrances to develop. With our aromatics ready, it's time to add the heart of the dish. First, incorporate 1 chopped tomato and cook it for approximately 3 minutes until it softens nicely. Then, crack 4 fresh eggs directly into the pan. Sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 full teaspoon of red chili powder. Gently scramble the eggs with the other ingredients until they are just set, ensuring a lovely, moist texture. To complete our delightful butter egg bhurji, let's add the finishing touches. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of fragrant garam masala, which will infuse a wonderful aroma. Next, fold in 2 generous tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves for a burst of freshness. Season the entire dish with salt to your liking and mix everything thoroughly. Serve this hot and savory bhurji immediately with your favorite bread or roti for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.